Everybody talks about the S&P 500's top 10 holdings, and I'm going to show you how to find that. But I'm going to show you something even more interesting. My name is Kenneth, and I talk about the stock market and investing, so if any of that sounds interesting to you, smash that follow. By the way, if you go right here and you click on the menu, which is right here, everything here is 100% free. There's not even an email sign up. All right, first let's look up an S&P 500 index fund. Remember, they're all the same, whether it's VOO or SPY, whatever. You go on a website like Seeking Alpha, you search your S&P 500 index fund, you go right here to holdings, scroll down just a little bit, and you can see their top 10 holdings. All right, that's pretty whatever. But of the 500 plus companies that make up the S&P 500, which ones are up the most this year? How would you even go about finding such a thing? It's a good thing you're following, because here's how. First things first, you're going to go right here, and then you click right here on screeners, and you'll see all these choices right here on the screen, but what we want is index, and we're going to do S&P 500. And you can see now that we've got the S&P 500 on the filter, and look at all those pages, but what we want is performance. So we're going to go right here to performance, and you can change it to whatever you want: quarter, month, half of the year, year to date. Let's just do year. Now, if you click on performance, it's going to start you off in the negatives first. And you can see that the worst performing one is Walgreens, and then we've got Albemarle, and then we've got Dollar General. These are some of the worst performers of the year. But if you want to see the best, you just click on performance year again, and it refreshes to show you the biggest winners of the year. And here's the list. These are the best performing stocks of the S&P 500. This is just the first page, starting off with the strongest. See, a lot of content creators on this platform like to show you numbers and lists, but they never tell you how to find it. I do. All right, smash that follow. Thanks for watching. See you later.